right, that's the brake right there on top. Push your brake down. Now turn the key and start it. All right, stop turning. All right, now.
Turned off by itself.
All right, turn the key off.
It's not all the way off there.
He mowed all over the blue tarp. He mowed all over the blooming. Pick these posts up and set them over there by the fence. He just mowed everything, huh? My Lord.
Well, better not be no snakes. Because I do not like snakes. Snakes are ridiculous.
Alright, Larry. Go start it up and drive it right over here. Devin, I need a pair of pliers. And there's probably a pair right inside the garage. Alright, Brian, get me a pair right quick. In the bucket, okay? Take it off the choke, put your brake down and start it. Put the gas up on fast.
Oh,